Let us see about this question. They clearly mentioned regarding should there be a dress code for the employees in the office? Statements and arguments. Statements and argument related. So here argument can be okay, true can be okay. You can say yes or no, no problem, but valid reason is required. Should there be a dress code for the employees in the office? They said yes, but there is no reason. This is question thrown back. Question thrown back is always weak argument. You have it's a question. They're asking some question. You need to say yes or no and with the reason. Question thrown back is always a weak argument. You have to decide which argument is weak. You have to decide which argument is strong. This is weak argument 1. Question thrown back is always a weak argument. So this is no. Second one, no dress code makes life monotonous. Yeah, actually it's a true. See, it's not about yes or no. Okay, this reason is okay. Reason is given. It's monotonous means same color, no variation. So when people are coming with different colors, it may be like different. Okay, maybe life is fashion. Likewise, we can believe there are different colors. Here, monotonous means regular. Okay, it's like reason is given. Okay, it's a bit valid one only. Fine. So we can go with second argument is correct. Yes is also correct answer, but they have to mention yes. Okay, then only everybody will be treated as same. Okay, respect of their category like that. They can give some reason. Okay, so they had to mention yes, no. Okay, yes with reason. Here, yes is wrong only because reason is not mentioned. Okay, here second one is correct because reason is clearly explained. Now see about next one. Prime Minister emphatically stated that the government will make every possible effort for the upliftment of poor farmers and farmhands. Poor farmers and farmhands, they want to put, okay, they want to uplift them. Every effort will be put. Okay, now conclusion. Except for poor farmers and farmhands, all others will have got benefit of fruits of development. They didn't discuss regarding remaining. No, they said for farmers, poor farmers, we want to uplift them, and we need to put a lot of efforts to make them okay better. Right? It's not about remaining people got development efforts. No, no serious efforts have been made in the past. They didn't discuss about past also, right? So the conclusion is definitely true. We cannot assume okay, maybe previous people are not done, these people are doing now. That we cannot say. Conclusion is definitely true. Past related to past, there is no discussion there. And related to other people got benefited, they didn't mention related to that. Only thing government's prime minister stated that government will take care of all the measures. Okay, so that poor farmers and farmhands will be uplifted. Will support them in all possible ways. That's what. Okay, it's not about remaining people are not getting support or remaining people already got benefited. Past people not done anything. That we cannot assume. Assumptions are not allowed. Conclusion. This is we have to conclude. Fix. Conclude or fix. Right. So here neither one nor two follows. Now mirror image based questions, mirror image. Image based questions. What is mirror image for this? If you apply mirror image, your right will come to left, your left will come to right. Your right side is dot and circle that comes to left. Your left side is lines that will come to right side, and that too in this way. Okay, so which is suitable? Option C. Your top and bottom, top dot only, but right side will come to left side. And here number of lines is more. Why D eliminated is 4 lines are there. Okay. Next one, see 49. Paper folding and paper cutting. Paper folding and cutting. First you have to fold, then cut, and now you have to unfold. Guys, here it is cut already. Circle, it's folded and cut. Now, this one if you open, here the other half will come, it will create a circle. If you unfold this cutting, if you open it here, it will create a circle. Here, if you unfold it, okay, circle will form. So its overall shape is circle, not triangle. Circle and all three corners. Option A is suitable. Paper cutting, paper folding related question. Option A is suitable here. Vinisha, correct. Let's see about next question. Again, arguments, statements and arguments. Argument with reason, okay, yes or no is fine, both are okay. Are the sanctuaries which are meant to protect the endangered animals necessary? Yes, these are necessary as it is our responsibility to conserve environment and provide person with a better world to live in. Yeah, we need those sanctuaries so that they'll protect, responsible to conserve environment and protect them. Correct. Second one, no, these are a huge burden on our residing economy. See, here both are okay because they're given a valid reason. If there is some more boats or more people are working, economically problem, but equally the other issue is we need to protect them, okay, to conserve environment and provide good world to live in. So both are valid. Second, economically burden, huge burden on economy. Yes, as more people are working there to protect them. So both. Yes, argument can be yes or no. Valid reason is required. That's what you have to understand. Reason must be valid and it should be related. Suppose here it related to animals and forest we are discussing. Now if we keep argument no, Sachin Tendulkar is best batsman, something not related to that is not okay. It should be relevant to that and it should be correct one only. Yes, this is practically correct. As more people are working now, burden on economy will come. But this first one also practically yes, we need to protect them and we need to create a better world to live in. Yes, both fine. Both are strong. Both are strong. Now see about this seating arrangement related question. MNOPQR. There are 6 people, MNOPQ and R. This is actually cocubes related previous question. There are multiple questions related to this. Okay, so I went to coffee making competition in 6 different locations. Delhi, Mumbai, all those, and this is what the data they given. I'll put Delhi also next line. Yeah, 6 different locations, Delhi and all. This is the statements here. Now, work on the statements. Who went to which location? What is the rating? In fact, location only London is mentioned. There is no discussion much related to any other thing. Okay, except London, there is no other discussion actually. But fine, then okay, you can just see about the rating. See about the rating. This fourth point I'm just keeping above so that other one more condition is that also comes down. Then now fourth condition I kept it bit above. Now there is ratings from 1 to 10. You have to decide the ratings. Only thing regarding location is R was from London. Apart from that, there is no discussion related. Participate from New York got the highest ranking. That is not true. Fine. Now, if you go ahead, there is one good point. N got the lowest rating, and that's a even number. N got lowest rating, and it's a even number. N is nothing but equal to 2. O got a rating higher than M. Okay, better than M. Fine. We'll see what is what. O got a rating better than M. Fine. That will decide who will get those things. Okay. So R is from London. O got better rating than M. Good. That way, that is noted. Participants from New York got the highest rating, but it is not O. Fine. Only 2 participants get even number. O got double Q. O is double Q means even. O must be even. O is a even number. O is not the highest. N is already even. 2 even numbers are N and O. Even numbers available is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2 gone. O cannot be 10. O cannot be 10. Okay, because O is not the highest rating. O cannot be 10. So O can go for 4, 6, 8. O can got the 4, 6, 8. And yeah, among 4, 6, 8, 4 is also gone because O is 2Q. 2 is already assigned for N. 4 is also gone. O can go for 6 and 8 only. So why you removed 4, sir? O is equal to double Q. If suppose O equal to 4, Q must be 2. Q is already assigned for N. All people got different rating. Nobody got same. Already N is given as 2. That's the minimum thing. So O can go for 6 or 8 only, right? And if O is, yeah, and 8 also not possible because if O is 8, then problem. Q must be 4, both even. Already one even is there, this even, so 8 also not possible. M is 6. When M is 6, O is double the Q will be equal to, sir, O is 6, O is 6, and I can say Q is nothing but equal to 3. O is equal to double Q. So, yeah, sir, then why 4 and 8 till 10 is because O is not the highest gone. 2 is already assigned for N. If I take, okay, O value 4 or 8, O value 4 or 8, then Q will be even. Q will be 2 or 4. But they said only two participants are even numbers. Already N is even. O is double the even number or double the odd number, it will be even. So only possibility for O is 6, Q is 3. Then O got a higher rating than M. M will be 2, 3, 4, 5. O is more than M. 2, 3, 4, 5. Even number only two people. M will be 5. M will be 5. So guys, M gone, N gone, O gone, Q gone. We have only P and R. Now who is the highest rating? Listen, highest rating candidate. R is from London. R is from London. Highest rating candidate is from New York. So P will be New York. P will be New York, and definitely among 7. See, what is the value for P, sir? 9. Even numbers are not allowed. Leftover two people and two odd numbers is 7 and 9. 7 will be R. Okay, 9 will be for P. P is from New York. We have to take. We left with only P and R. Okay, R is not the highest because R is from London. So now questions will be who is from New York, right? So who was second highest rating? Second highest rating is, who was the second highest rating? R got second highest rating. That's nothing but equal to 7. Who belongs to New York? It's P. P belongs to New York. What was the rating for Q? Q rating is nothing but 3. Which of the following statements is definitely true related to that? See, 4 questions. P got a rating of 10. No, P got 9. M got a rating of 5. Yes, it seems. O belongs to Mumbai. I cannot say Mumbai, who is Paris, who is, the data is not there. M got 5 rating is correct. M got 5 rating is correct. See, we have 4 questions related to the data. That's the beauty related to this. Okay, in cocubes, this is how they'll ask. This is question from cocubes platform. Right. Okay. Now, yes, sir, you are telling regarding platforms here and there. Let us get the clarity. Wait. Yeah. See, regarding the platform, this is how wheebox platform looks like. Wheebox platform looks like. You have 1 to 90 questions here, 1 so on up to 90. You can click on any question. Okay, this first 17 questions related to verbal, next up to 35 questions related to, okay, critical thinking and problem solving, next it related to abstract reasoning, like that. Or else you can drop the section here, you can click on this one here and you can get the sections list and you can select it. Wheebox left side you will get options. When you click on it, it will be like a green color. It will be like a green color. This is how Wheebox platform looks like. On the day of mock exam, how can I know which platform is what? This is Wheebox platform, how it looks like. Okay, Wheebox. Navigation allowed. Repeatedly I'm mentioning that's important. Navigation allowed between sections. Okay, sections, you can change sections, yes. You can change, you can go for questions. Any question you can start. This is how Vbox platform looks like. This is how mettl platform looks like. Here instead of mettl, you will get Accenture logo in exam. In exam here, Accenture logo will be given. Navigation allowed. See, this is a bit similar to that pseudocode related questions and all. And here, listen. Here section drop down will be there. For mettl platform, this is mettl platform. Here section drop down will be there. Sir, I want to go for in that particular section. Suppose second section, you have 18 questions. You can click on the question numbers here. Question numbers will be here. I think it's not visible for everybody. Okay, better. I'll just show you previous. Okay, here question numbers 1 to 90 will be available. When you click on it, when you mark it will become green color. And here you will get that section drop down. You can click on so and so section requirement. That will be generally right or left anyhow. Okay, this is how the drop down looks like for Vbox. And if you come for mettl, okay, here mettl platform, here Accenture logo will be given instead of mettl, and here you have a drop down box. You can click on drop down box to check which section it is. No sir, I want to, generally it will show first question only. If you want to go for last question, you can click on that. Here 1 to 18 will be displayed, or you can move this, you can go for. Calculator actually not there in your exam. Calculator actually not there for you in exam. Okay. And problem mainly, yeah, here you have timer, all those things. You be careful. Timer will be in that side. But mettl platform, what is the problem regarding coding? Guys, listen. In this platform, okay, for coding point of view, listen, when you people execute the coding in mettl platform, when you type coding, C language or whatever you typed coding, it will show after running, compile and run the code. For compiling and running the code, okay, it will show error. See, listen, it will show 0 out of 10 failed. Guys, when you run, if program is all correct, 0 out of 10 test cases failed, means all cases are cleared. Okay, see, instead of saying 10 out of 10 cleared, it will show 0 out of 10 cases failed. That is how that platform will display. 0 out of 10 cases failed, means all are cleared only. You'll get green color tick mark also when you run. And especially regarding Vbox, while giving, while coding point of view in Vbox, listen, okay, while running, okay, you type the code, fine, coding. Now before running the code, you have to give the input. There is a place where you have to click on input. That arrow will not display there, but you enter some input. Suppose a single input means give the input as 5. If it is a 2 inputs need to be given, give 5 space 7. Inputs must be given by you. Custom input, you have to give the input, then run the code. I repeat, you have to give the input and run the code. For Vbox, problem is that you have to give the input and then run the code. When you click on that input area also, it won't display arrow mark or that cursor, it won't display, but when you type in keyboard, it will display the number. It will display the number. That's very much problematic. You have to be careful. And here this mettl platform, this is one issue. It will give green color tick marks, means okay, all are cleared, and in fact 0 out of 10 failed. 10 out of 10 cleared is a different outcome, but they'll show like 0 out of 10 cleared like that. Okay, that's about mettl platform. And cocubes platform, Yeah, metal. Fine. Now this is cocubes platform where you have a timer here and you can move sections here. One, two, three. This is some other. I just want to show you okay how the platform looks like. This is some other section not related to Accenture. Right. So here timer will be there. Okay, here you can see cocubes are ion. And here you can observe this is what the sections you can move. One section to other section like that. You can move from one section to other section like this. And mainly, yeah, this is no problem regarding coding anything, it's not a problem. But thing you have to learn is, see, when you start the test, okay, on campus, okay, the HR team will manually check you people there. You need admit card actually. Before entering to the test, admit card will be generated. You need to take print of that. Okay, those HR panels, they'll check your admit card and PAN card. These two are mandatory for exam. HR will check that and they allow you for the test. First round is 90 questions, 90 minutes. Right. So when you start this test and at the ending, when you submit the test, it will run some timer. You can observe that in mock exam also. After first section, when you submit, a timer will be run from 3 minutes countdown. 3 minutes to 000 like that. Okay, again it will repeat lot of times. If server is busy, again timer starts from 3 or 2 minutes. It should counter down. You need to kindly wait there, and result will be displayed whether you qualified in round one or not. Okay, the result will be displayed immediately there itself. In exam itself, it will display. In mock exam, no. In mock exam, it will go for next round to understand how platform works. But in main exam, here timer down and result will be announced here itself. Result 1. Okay, if you cleared, green color display is there for clear, green and red color. Red color, sorry, like that. Green color, congratulations, like that. It will display some message. Okay, let's say you cleared this round, then coding will come. Again, okay, after coding, timer will be there. But for both the sections, before coding and before round one, camera, mic, system, everything will be checked. Camera again enable, mic it will check whether it is working or not, internet working or not. Same thing will be checked before round 2 as well. Your camera is working or not, mic is working or not, internet is working or not. It will check again before coding round and before round 1. Results, okay, before, after submitting round 1, round 2, timer will be there. Until the timer becomes 0, you need to wait there. Don't move here and there. Okay, audio and video recorded, they'll check that, and HR also they'll monitor you people. So it's a double check actually. Okay, physically they are verifying, and audio and video also virtually it's monitored. And if anything going wrong, okay, that entire, if anything goes wrong, let us say, then your results will be on hold. Some students after maybe communication or after interview, some people results will not be released. Some people will get regret mail, some are getting selection mail, some people are not getting any mails after interview round, selection or rejection, because they'll be in proctored. Okay, they did something wrong during exam and they may be, the results are hold. They'll be banned for 1 year not to participate in any. So don't okay involve in any other things, because at least for girls in February month Hack Diva event will be there. That's a second opportunity to enter into Accenture. They'll give one more opportunity in February for girls. February second week or third week like that. So don't involve in any other activities. If you miss this, at least okay after 3 months or 6 months, there is a chance you people can try again. Right. Now let us see about this question. 6 friends are there. Now arrange them KLHQUEP. There is no first letter repetition, so fine. Parker and Hunter are standing at either end. Okay. Next, Quinn is starting fourth to the left of Hunter. Hunter will be in the right end. First, second, third, fourth is Quinn. And they said Parker and Hunter are either of the end, so P will be here. Elliot and Lucy are standing between Hunter and Kia. So Hunter, Kia, between them Elliot and Lusa. Elliot is standing, not standing adjacent to Kia, so adjust Elliot here, Luca here. This is what. Now who is standing between Q and L? See, in CoQ, this is CoQ's platform related question. The advantage you can observe, one paragraph they'll ask a lot of things. Who is between these two people is nothing but K. So option C. K is between these two people. Meanwhile, see the next one. How many people are standing between Parker and Kia? Between P and K, how many people are standing in between? Answer for previous is Kia. Fine. Now here, how many people are between P and K? Only one person is between P and K. So that's what we can say. Option one is correct. And for the same data, they given one more question. Who is standing to the left of Elliot? Elliot left side, who is available? Elliot left side. Elliot left side, Lusa. Standing second to the left of Elliot. Second left is Kia. So answer here is K, sorry, K. Same puzzle, they're asking multiple questions. Then one more statement. Is this true or false? You need to decide. Parker is standing at the left end. Yeah, it's true only, it seems. Parker is standing at the left end. It's true. Parker is at the left end. You can observe, yes, Parker is at the left end. Okay, so this is how, for the same data, around 4 questions they given, and this is how you can work on it. After coding round, when you come out of the exam, okay, it will give you a message for, you'll get a mail and WhatsApp message. Everything after each round you'll get message also, but mobile not allowed for exam for on campus. When you come out of the exam round 2 coding round, you can check your mobile mail, and both will come. Minimum one code should be executed, otherwise there itself after submitting, you can, when you come out, you will get a WhatsApp message and mail. You are not cleared if no code is executed. If one code or two codes are executed, one and partially other one, depends on that, it will show congratulations, you went to the next round. We'll get a communication round related details soon. Like that, it will send the mail immediately. Once you come out of the hall, 1 or 2 minutes before, immediately you'll get the message. Coding round will take 2 days from that time. Okay, then it will get coding round. It will take around, after this day one coding round, it will take couple of days. After that, coding communication round will be there. Then after couple of days or 3 days gap, interview will be happen. Right, that's how the process is. See this question. Michael, there are how many people? 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people are seated, okay, on a straight line, seated in a straight line. Now you have to, this is all regarding seating arrangement as well as their date of birth date. Okay, date of birth, day. Monday, Saturday, likewise they given. So yeah, their birthdays are fall on a different day of the week. 7 people, their names, let's say first letters all, oh no, Janet and Jason, two same names only. So that we have to be careful. So M Janet as JT. Janet I am taking as JT. Eleanor, Chidi, Tahani, Jason, Simoni. Right, so these are the 7 people. And okay, 7 days. Sunday cannot sit with someone born on either Monday or Saturday. Okay. Cannot sit next to each other. The only seating rule is that people whose birthday fall on adjacent days cannot sit next to each other. See, this is one condition. Seating arrangement you need to map, and your job is to map what day their date of birth is and comes under which day. Their birthday comes and which day you have to check it out. But one rule is, okay, date of birth or birthday is adjacent, so they cannot sit adjacent. Only rule is they cannot sit adjacent to next to each other if their birthday fall on adjacent days. If birthdays are adjacent days, they cannot sit each okay next to each other. That's the thing. So now that condition we keep in mind. This is the paragraph to arrange. Guys, this is the paragraph to arrange. Tahan is seated in the middle of the row. So 7 people. Arrangement and day all we need to go. Tahani is in the middle. Jason is on Tuesday. Jason Tuesday. Okay, so I'll write it here. Jason Tuesday. Okay. And he cannot sit next to Janet or Chidi, means Janet and Chidi will take here and here. See, he cannot sit with them, means maybe they are neighbor too. That's one possibility. Michael, who sits at rightmost end of Tahani. Rightmost one was born on a day that falls after her birth. Okay, Michael, who sits to the rightmost end of Tahani. Yeah, fine. Means Michael is at the right end. Was born on a day that falls after her birthday. Eleanor, who cannot sit next to Tahani or Chidi. Eleanor is on Thursday. See, we have multiple tasks to do. Eleanor is on Thursday. Eleanor's only neighbor was having date of birth, birthday on Monday. Eleanor neighbor, only neighbor, means it can be this guy or Eleanor can be here or here. Eleanor can be here or here. The neighbor to that person is on Monday. Simon was seated between Jason and Tahani. So Simon was seated between Jason and Tahani. So problem is that, so if there are two arrangements, one E here, okay, E here means then Simon was seated between Jason and Tahani. This is one possibility, or else E here, Simon was between Jason and Tahani. So this is one possibility. Two things are this because of this one, and Ellen is having only one neighbor. Ellen's only neighbor means Ellen is at one of the end. Sorry, yeah, I can directly say Ellen is at the left end. This is no doubt. Ellen is at left end. Ellen is having only one neighbor. Ellen is at the left end. So who is that neighbor we need to fix? Eleanor is at the left end, and this guy is at the right end. Fine. Now, still, Tahani is in the middle. Jason Tuesday. Michael, rightmost end of Tahani, was born on a day that falls after her birthday. Okay, Michael is after Tahani. Fine. So Eleanor cannot sit next to Tahani or Chidi. Eleanor cannot sit next to Tahani or Chidi. So Chidi will come here. Chidi will come here. If that is the case, Chidi will take this slot. And one more candidate left over is, this is Jason. No, okay. Jatin will be there. This is one arrangement possibility. But we have to check, is there anything mistake? Jason cannot sit next to Janet or Chidi. Yeah, Jason is not sitting next to Janet or Chidi. Satisfied. Okay. And that's fine. Tahani is in the middle, fine. Michael is at the rightmost end, fine. Eleanor, who cannot sit next to Tahani or Chidi. Eleanor, not Tahani and Chidi. This is, I think, perfect. Eleanor's only neighbor was on Monday. So we are fixing, this is the arrangement. So Jatan will be on Monday. If Jatan is on Monday, Tuesday Jason is not neighbor. Eleanor Thursday. So there is no clash. So the neighbors are not on the adjacent. See, these people, okay, days, birthdays adjacent means they cannot sit adjacent. That is also problem. If they are adjacent, they cannot sit to adjacent people. No, fine. Now Days available is Monday gone, Tuesday gone. Availability is Wednesday, Thursday gone, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The days available is only 4: Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and fine. So a linear only neighbor, that's Jarton completed. Monday we fixed it. Jas and Tuesday, that's also fixed. Michael, yeah, now they given a linear sits next to, cannot sit next to Tahani or Chidi. Tahani or Chidi is not Wednesday or Friday. Wednesday, Friday not okay for Tahani or Chidi. Then still Saturday, Sunday two are available. Fine. Then one more condition. Chidi is sit to whom people? Which people? Chidi is sitting to Jatan and this guy. And there is one more condition. Tahani, yeah, Michael was after Tahani. Michael is after Tahani. We have to give the day after Tahani. Michael birthday is after Tahani. Sir, this much time taken because they are asking a lot of things here. Who are the people over weekend, Saturday, Sunday? And there are a lot of questions given. 4 questions are given. One is regarding the arrangement, you can see, keeping on knowledge of their birthdays. This is regarding birthdays. This is regarding birthday. Check this. Check this data sufficiency related question. Before this is again regarding flowchart. They ask particular set of questions. Okay, if we do that steps one by one. The first question is how many boxes at the end of the flowchart are divisible by 5. So they given certain steps 1, 2, 3, and third one failed. When third one failed, we need to do these 2 steps, and this is the end of. After that is the end of the flowchart. Okay, that you can observe here E after end of the flowchart. So then once you're done with the entire things, then map it one by one, one by one. Okay, you can find all these questions can be answered. Now data sufficiency. Vilya purchased 100 kilograms of fruits today. If she bought 3 types of fruits, what is the weight of apples purchased? See, is it one alone sufficient? Two alone sufficient? Then only go for together. Alone you have to try. 100 kgs, it's regarding 3 items. We understand, okay, already apple they're asking. Here orange and pineapple. So orange, pineapple plus apple together equal to 100. After statement 1, I understand there is a item called orange and pineapple also. In question only apple is given, but here we can understand they mentioned orange and pineapple in first statement. Right, with respect to first statement, okay, how many apples purchased? They said oranges and pineapple are equal. Let it be orange 10, pineapple 10, then apple will be 80, or pineapple orange 20, then apple will be 60. There are many things, right? So it's not about statement 1 alone not possible, 1 alone not possible, 2 alone. 2 alone, we got only pineapple. I don't know orange is there also. In question apple is there. Okay, now here pineapple 40. They said 3 types. What is the third type also? We don't know. So 2 alone also not possible. Together, yes. They said, okay, pineapple 40 and orange also must be equal. Orange and pineapple both must be equal. So I okay, orange also 40, then apple will be 20. Both statements put together you can answer. Both statements put together we can answer. Put together. Good. Now see this. What's your conclusion? Human hummingbirds are so miniature, they are often confused with insects. It is only their wings and beak that allow them to appear like a bird to naked eyes. Okay. So no matter how similar the two objects might be, they can still be differentiable. Most insects appear like hummingbirds. Most hummingbirds like appear like insects. It's not reverse. Here, okay, hummingbird is appearing like insect. It's not like vice versa. Okay, insects appear like hummingbirds. No. No matter how similar the two objects might be, they can still be differentiated. Here it's regarding, yeah, hummingbird and insects are similar, but they can be differentiated. Fine, I think second one it seems like, or else it's a generic statement, no matter how similar the two objects might be. First one, I think no, but second one, no matter how similar the two objects might be, they can still be differentiated. Generalized statement. Hummingbirds and insects are confused but similar. Still, we can differentiate them. Okay, fine. I think we can consider second one. This is regarding a statement only. Okay, two objects. One is hummingbird and other one is insect. They're similar, but we can differentiate them. Two can be considered with respect to given statement. Now, see this. Even twins also, two different people look similar, but we can differentiate. Now, statement here in 2016, Smith became the youngest Ambrosian to win a national game medal. No woman had won a national game medal before 2016. See this question. This is in 2016. First medal, youngest Ambrosian. Okay, to win, youngest person. It's not about, okay, maybe Haley Smith men or let it be women also, but no women won before 2016. This is in 2016. Okay, they may be. This is what youngest person to win that national medal, right? So there may be women who win before also. They may not be youngest. Okay, may or may not be. It's not a correct conclusion. Ambrosia got its first medal. No, they said in 2016. Fine, no. It's also in 2016. Fine, both are 2016. This is before 2016. That's what the problem. But still, second one also wrong because this is regarding youngest candidate to get the medal. It's not the first medal for them in 2016. We cannot say that. Among Ambrosians, the youngest one got the win is this. So it's not both. Both are out. Neither one nor two. None follow. Yeah. None follows. Now what about this one? When will Bridget turn 10 if her brother Ben will twice her age that year? Okay. So brother Ben will be twice that age in that year. So statement one alone is correct. Ben is 15 in 2018. Bridget 10 means Ben required 20. The question is indirectly at what age Ben will be 20. So it's one alone. Yes, Ben will be in 2023. In 2023, Ben will become 20. Statement one alone you can answer. Statement one alone you can answer. Statement two alone, don't ignore. One alone, okay. Two alone also you try. Ben was in 2003, 3 years after his parents' wedding. So Ben date of year will be 0. Okay, age is 0 in 2003. So Bridget double is Ben. Ben will become 20 in 2023. On the year, Bridget will become 10. So statement 2 alone also possible. So answer is each statement alone is sufficient. 1 alone you can answer, 2 alone also you can answer. Each statement alone you can answer when is Bridget will become 10. Guys, are you understanding this question? Right? Each statement alone is sufficient is the answer. You can go ahead. Option B is perfectly suitable. Now let's see about arguments, statements and arguments. But listen, here the question is, which of the following weakens the argument? Weakens the argument. So argument is mentioned which will weak that argument. Here argument is the company's new vice president steered them towards a financial successful year. He guided them towards a financial successful year. The new vice president is inefficient, is weakening. If he's inefficient, how he'll guide them, steer them means guided them towards a financial successful year? No. Is inefficient. It's weakening the argument means opposing, weakening that. Okay, that argument should be weakened. If I say that Kant is inefficient, then that argument will be weakened. Remaining all, okay, will not disturb this, weakening this, so but this will weaken that argument. Change in leadership has positive impact. That's supporting that. As new person came, we are going into the positive direction. Old vice president are not able. That's not able leader. That's when new vice president is able candidate. That's why they see them. This is all supporting. Weakening is the option C. Next one again weaken the argument related. Weakens the argument. Which of the following will weaken the argument? Experts recommend that children should not carry heavy school bags. Okay, the physical toll on children is monitored. Again, here it's about weaken the argument. Weaken the argument. Okay, here the physical toll on children is monitored. Yes, that's not weaken the one. The school bags are very heavy these days. Fine, that's why they should not carry heavy school bags. They are mentioning. Children are capable of carrying a heavy school bag. No, this is what weaken the argument, right? So they should not carry, and this is weakening that. They can carry is what they are mentioning here. So I can say this is weaken that argument. Fine, option C, weaken. Next one, support. Statements are arguments. This type of questions mostly you can find in cocubes platform. The one which we are discussing right now, this way of asking the question. Weakening, okay, supporting, supports the argument. The company has decided to expand by introducing more stores at different location. Supporting we required. The company is recovering from its losses. No. Company has stagnated before the expansion. Maybe before that also they may expand it. There was only one store location. That we cannot say. Yeah, I think C is supporting. They are willing to invest for its development. The company is willing, supporting we need to do. As per supporting point of view, C is bit suitable here, which will support the given. So here I can say C is supporting. So any doubt in this also, please? Guys are understanding? అర్థమవుతుందా అండి? Shall we proceed? Right, this is all considered critical thinking and problem solving section. Next one, syllogism related question. Everybody is requested to solve this. Statements are available, conclusions are available. Work on this. Let me know what is the answer. I'm showing you options are like, okay, only 1 and 3, 1 and 2 all follow, 2 and 3 follows. It seems like only one is wrong. Maximum one is wrong, all are correct. It seems like if you observe all this. Now let us see which is wrong. I think third one wrong, it seems for me directly. Means only 1 and 2 follow. Is there available? Yeah. You check it out. Is it 1 and 2 follow or any other answer you are getting? Some parts are pans. Some pans are plates. All plates are cups. Some cups are forks. This one diagram may eliminate things. So first conclusion, some cups are pans. Cup and pan connected. Forks and cups also connected. All pans are parts. No. Third one eliminated. Only one option without third one is this. All follow, no. Third one eliminated. Third one eliminated. Only option C is suitable. Right. Now here, I believe people can watch the screen. Options, here also only one is wrong. Find it out. Which is wrong here? One and three is what your friends are saying. Let me check that. All balls are blue. Some blue are pipes. All pipes are pins. No pins are balls. Pin and ball are not connected. So I have to draw this without connecting that. Okay. Now, some pins are blue, obviously. Some balls are pipes. Yes. Some pins are pipes. So I got all three follow here. Wait, so some blues are pins for sure. First one definitely will be correct. Next is what? No pins are balls. Okay, no pins are balls. So balls is B only written. It's suitable only. Now some pins are pipes. Yes, third ones. All pipes are pins. Some pins are pipes will be definitely true. Some balls are pipes. Wait. Some balls and pipes are not connected anyhow. That's wrong. So second one wrong. This is ball. This is that's what blue. I have to write it. Otherwise, it's easy done. Fine. So balls and pipes are not connected. Second one eliminated. Without second one, only one option. 1 and 3 fall. Now again flowchart. Okay, it may not be visible properly for you. Let me guide you in that direction. So lowest value at the end, that's one question. Average value of the numbers that were changed at the end of the flowchart. Which are changed compared to initial one. That one average we need to take. Other one, the number stored in the box 3 changes at the end of the flowchart. Okay, that's one other question. I think generally 3 questions will be given. This is what those 3 questions. Now looking to that flowchart, your first step is box 3. I understand, okay, it's not visible properly for you. I'll just try zooming max whatever it's possible. Yeah, this is what possibility, and still that's it. So okay, box 3 plus box 4 I need to add. Box 3 25, box 4 is 3, put that result in box 7, it become 28, box 7 become 28. Next one, number in box 6 greater than number in box 7. No. No means we have to move for the next step. What is the next step? Box 2 should be subtracted with box 4. Box 2 is 14, box 4 is 3, subtract, we got 11. Update that in box 9. Box 9 is become 11. Instead of 22, it become 11. Then box 9 plus number in box 5 should be added, put in box 8. Number in box 5 is 19, the result is 30, that is to be updated in box 8. Box 8 become 30, 29 previously, it become 30 now. Okay. Next step, number in box 8 and then number in box 10, the result should be kept in box 1. Number in box 10 is 2, the product is 60, we have to keep that in box 1. The product is 60, keep that in box 1. So now one question is least value at the end of the flowchart. Guys, which is having least value at the end of the flowchart? Which box? Box 10, right? Box 10 is having 2. Box 4 is 3. Least at the end of the flowchart is box 10. Now question, least value is box 10, available option box 10. Next question answer. What is next question is average of values changed. 4 values are changed. I think 3 only. We'll check. A box 1, 4 change 60, 20, 30, 11. This is 60, right? So 60 plus 30, 90, 101 plus 28, 129 divided by 4. Average of those values. Okay, average means sum of the divided by number of. So 129 divided by 4. 1 is 60, 1 is 30, 1 is 28, 1 is 11. Right. 129 divided by 4. The number stored in the box 3 changes at the end of the flowchart. Box 3 not at all changed. False. Box 3 not changed, no? Is anywhere box 3 changed? No, box 3 not at all disturbed. See, they didn't substitute the result in box 3. Put the result in box 3, box 2, like that. If they give a statement, then I can say it's changed. There is no statement at the ending. Put the result in box 3 is not there. Means 3 cannot be changed. It's a false statement. It's a false statement. Number stored changes at the end of the flowchart. False. Now, this type of questions are given long back actually, not now. They're not asking this model nowadays. But still, in safe side, I'm just giving you the idea. The symbols meaning they're given. Okay, directly you attack the question. P plus Z, Z by V. Z by V means same level. Z and V are same level. P plus Z plus means senior. So P is senior to Z, V is senior to K. That's what as per the statements. Senior this is. Now Z star P, Z is less than P, junior to P. Star means junior means okay. Super junior, no, junior. Super junior means 2 gap required. Z is junior to P, not super junior. K is super junior to Z. No, K is junior to Z. One gap only. P is senior means 1 gap. Z is V is senior to K, 1 gap. Z and V same level. Senior, super senior means 2 gap. Senior means 1 gap. K is C percentage Z. Okay, K. Percentage means junior to Z. Correct. P minus K. P is super senior for K. 1. So minus means super senior. Yeah, correct. Super senior means 2 gap required. Yeah, P is super senior. Both correct. See, 2 and 3 follows is the answer. Senior means 1 gap. Super senior means 2 gap. Junior means 1 gap. Okay. Super junior means 2 gap. Same level. Like that they given. Right. So let's see about next one. Here, blood relation. The symbols meaning is blood relation. You draw the diagram. Plus means father. L plus P. L is father of P. M minus Q. Q and P is better because M and Q how related we don't know. Q and P. Q and P means Q is brother of P. And means brother here. Q and P. Q is brother of P. M minus Q. M is mother of Q. Means L and M are parents. M is mother of Q. Q is already child son of L. Now M is mother of Q means M and L are married couple. Q is son of M and L. P is child. We cannot say son or daughter. We cannot conclude that. L plus K. L plus Q. L is father of Q. Is that plus means father? Yeah, first one correct. L is father of Q. Q star M. Q is son of M. Star means son means okay. Daughter given. Q is son, not daughter. Q is son, not daughter. M minus P. Minus means mother means fine. I think, yeah, correct. M is mother of P. L is father of P. Minus means mother only here. X minus Y. X is mother of Y. So 1 and 3 are correct conclusions. 1 and 3. Here the define symbol. You draw the diagram with respect to blood relation concept. Okay, plus means father. L is father of P. Q and P. Q is brother of P. M minus Q. M is mother of Q. Already L is father of Q. Now M is mother of Q. L and M are married couple. Okay, Q and P are children of M and L. L is father of Q and P both. That's what first conclusion. L is father of Q. Here M minus P. M is mother of P. That's what correct. Now one more in similar fashion. Symbols related. This model, okay, they're not much focusing nowadays, but still in safe side we are giving. X minus Y, A minus C, A minus C, A is less than C. Star, B and D are equal, okay. C plus B, C is greater than B and B and D are equal. See, the statements are shuffled A, C, B, then B and D. Now, between A and B, we cannot give any relationship. There is no common symbol. Any relationship is waste there. C and D, as B equal to D, in place of B, we can put D. C greater than D. For greater plus symbol, correct. Yeah, plus means greater only here. D by A, between D and A, there is no relationship. There is no common symbol throughout the path from A to D. If there is no common symbol, no relationship. This topic is inequalities. You can learn inequalities topic. I'll share you the PDF at the end of the day in your group. You can use that and learn if any topics you are not good. Blood relations also, if you are not good, you can go through the video. I'll share you. So only two follows here. Now section 3. See, above is one set of paper regarding section 2. Now section 3, question number 36 to 50. So see this question number 36 to 50 in exam. Series. So what's your answer? Find the missing term. Everyone try this. 530. Okay. Now see, some of your friends are simply handling this question. Like see, yeah, you can do this logic actually. You see this logic. Many will draw and solve this in different way. See the first letters, first digit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's why here all options are started with 5. Then 6 to 12, 6 gap. 12 to 20, 8 gap. 20, then 10 gap is 30. Then 12 gap is 12 extra, 42. 14 gap 56, 16 gap 72. If we ignore that first digit, no, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 6, 8, 10, like that. So option B. See the next one. Letter series related question. What is the next one? It's pretty much fixed. K is the first letter, right? So K is first. So if you see the first letter A, C, E, G, I, alternate letters, these all are. K is fixed here. Okay. Now the other one to be careful, K first letter with that only one option. Last letter, this is 4, 10, then 8, then 14, then 12. See, this is plus 4 in alternate series. Here also plus 4 or plus 6 minus 2 plus 6 minus 2 plus 6 minus 2 like that. Now it should be 18. 18 means last letter must be R. Last letter R. This is eliminated. Now middle letter M. Yeah, M is middle letter, we'll check. So B, F, again F, then J, J. So this is 2, this is 6, this is 10, this should be 14, N. The repeating 2 times a letter, it should be N, not M. K, N, R. K, N, R is suitable. Now, series kingdom, then which is suitable here? Analogy concept. Analogy concept. What should be your answer? Kingdom dash is for empire. Emperor. Super. So king rules kingdom. So emperor rules an empire. Perfect. Option A, emperor. Now what about this odd one out? We said analogy, odd one out as a syllabus for abstract reasoning. You can see that now, which is the odd one out here? Rectangle, sphere, cone, cube. Which one is the odd one out? Yeah, option A, because all these are three-dimensional related. Three-dimensional, 3D. Rectangle is 2D. Two-dimensional and three-dimensional likewise we can go. Now what is the odd one out here? Odd one out. So all these are inside the box. No, odd one is different. You have to identify which is the different one. Right, so except eraser, you can clearly understand eraser is the odd one out here. Remaining are different things. Eraser is odd one. Yeah, again odd one out. Yeah, find the odd one out among this. Different one. Yeah, if you focus on last two letters, BCD or DCB, one letter gap. Here, GHI, one letter gap. Here, QRS, one letter gap. But this is the problem. KH, problem is that two letters missing. H, I, J, then K. Two letters. Right, so fine. Now again add one out. What's the odd one out among this? Manisha, hope you understand previous one mistake, but now you check it out in this one. I can say option A is odd one out. Why, sir? Remaining all are in GP, like 1, 1, 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. 248 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 4, 8, 16. This is what my idea. You just see what's happening. Multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 369. This is AP. Adding 3. Is that okay? Or understand this? You may be thinking about, okay, these all are different digits. This is same digit. Now see the next one. Okay, in certain language, acquire is given like this, then what will be your option? Yes, what's your logic, dear? Acquire. Excellent logic. This is excellent question. ZXJFRIV. Then Nimpos is given as for N it is M, for Y it is B, for M it is N, for P it is K. Harbhajan Singh, Sunrises Hyderabad, LO. So it should be option B. There should be a letter L missing here. So what is this? The opposite page. Aged, Ajar, Jahir, Jack and Queen, Fun, Indian Railways, Railway Inspector, Electric Vehicle, Kings 11 Punjab, Punjab Kings, Harbhajan Singh, Sunrises Hyderabad, Hyderabad Secunderabad, Ola, OLX. In fact, this is also opposite pair. LO is one pair, V is one pair. You break up from that word, settle in your life first. So LO is one pair, V is one pair. MN Money, NM Narendra Modi ji, right? So climax, crux, these are all opposite pairs. B. Opposite pair rule is sum of those values should be equal to 27. What is opposite pair is you take any of those pair summation, it is equal to 27. E value 5, V value 22, S value 19, H value 8, P is 16, K value 11, Kings 11 Punjab, K value 11. November 14, N value 14, middle 26 divided by 2, 13. So you can see some of those things related to 27. Now what about this one? Notes is given as here. See, for every set of paper, we are discussing set of paper. Okay, in coding and decoding, we have around 4 questions, 3 to 4 questions. Analogy around 3 to 4 questions. Hardware note, they are asking all this stuff. It's very easy logic. What's your answer? Node C is given as OQ WIX. Siren is what? Good question, good logic actually. First letter +1, second one +2, next is +3, next is 4, next is 5. If you apply +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, then you'll get T, K, U, I, S. No option. Okay. Yeah, how would siren be coded in that language? It's correct only if you do minus of this. N plus 1 is O. O plus 2 is Q. T plus 3 is W. E plus 4. Yeah, this is 5 and 9, 19 and 24. It's perfect. Then how would siren be coded in the same code language? Plus 1 T. Yeah, I think here in maybe typing mistake. Their siren is 5 letters. Here they given only 4. It's generally typing issue, it seems like. It's a typing issue, you can understand. They given only In exam also something goes like this. You with a big heart, you need to just go ahead. Don't argue with them. Okay, it's not allowed. Okay, so you just try among options which is best suitable. KU, yes, something it's available in options. It might be a typing error. There is no free marks, nothing like that. So okay, you don't lose the marks by skipping that question is wrong and all. You attempt it. You attempt it. Now, series coding and decoding. Next question. Snape. Yeah, in abstract reasoning, that's what. Okay, image-based questions. In abstract reasoning, image-based questions, coding and decoding. This is what the area they'll ask. Now, if you observe, focus on the question, wherever E is there, they given as 3. That's why they given two things to understand. G is given as 4. Wherever G is there, we have to assign 4. E means 3. So they given some code. Just you need to map it. Grandeur, G value 4, R value 7, A value 2, 472, only one option. Starting with 472, only one option is there. Go with that. Option B, perfect. Now find the missing term. This is slow increasing series, it seems like, because it started at 6 till at 119, 191 only. So it seems like slow increasing. If it is slow increasing, we have to take difference between numbers to handle the question. Differences are 13, differences are 25, 36, right? So if it is 49, 130, then here 61, no logic. So we have to worry about this. We may think 25 and 36 perfect squares. Here perfect square is missing. Let us assume the question is correct only. Then what can be done? So here 12 gap, here 11 gap, here 10 gap means 46, then 127 not there in the options. Then here 9 gap means it should be 55. 127 plus 55 is 182, but they got 191. Okay. 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, if you map 130, then 8 square, 64 means 194. That's also not satisfying that. So then multiply by 2 plus something, multiply by 2 minus something. It's all in the range of 120 and 140 only. No. So what can be done? Slow increasing, differences we handle. 6, 19, 44, 81, 191. Okay. 13 gap, fine. Then it is 25 gap. Okay. What is missing here? Among options, best suitable is like 130. Considering slow increase, differences might be like that. So, but here, that's also no. Missing term. Maybe correct is 130, but what else? 13, 25, 36, 12, 11, then 10. That is the case, this should be 182 and 127 is not there in the options as well. Or maybe perfect square difference they taken wrong if I take in that way. 19, 5 square, 6 square, then 7 square, 130, but 8 square is not satisfying after that. So not okay. Any other magic to be done? 13, 25, 36. 13 plus 8, 12. 2 plus 5, 2 into 5 plus 1, 1 into. This is 2 square, 3 square plus 4, 9 plus 4, 2 square plus 4, 3 square. 36 is not combination of any squares. What else we can add here? Where I taken wrong 37, here 37, no? Okay, sorry. That's what, one mistake is giving lead to other one. Fine, perfect. If this is 37, that's what I taken wrong. Thanks for the correction. So as this is 37, we can go for again 12 gap. Again 12 gap means 49. Okay, it's 130. Again 12 gap means, yeah, that's what I taken a mistake. 61. So it's slow increasing. Perfect. It's 130 is the answer. That mistake what I taken 36 means what 80, 37 should be taken. Perfect. So answer is 130. Slow increasing means take difference between numbers and handle. That's the logic. Or let's see about the one more missing term related series. Missing terms we can fix. This model is going to be asked. Find the missing term. They given a lot of clues already in the question. ENLQRT. NOP, LNQ, QRS, they given. So I think this is a series NOP, QRS, NOP, P after QRS, TUV. This is all perfect series, right? So that's fine. That you can ignore it seems. So other thing you focus. EGJ, LNQ, RTW. What is the missing term? I think you can focus on this area now. So this is 5, this is 12, this is 18, 7 gap, 6 gap, then it should be 7 or 7 means 25, y should come. Okay, 5 means 23, w should come into picture. So but there is no option called w. There is no option called w, so that's fine. Okay, we'll see among which is suitable. What about last one is 10, 17, 23. Here also you can observe 7 gap, 6 gap is there. This is 7, 14. Middle one also 7, 14 and 20. 7 and 6 gap is there. So with respect to RTW, it should maintain, all letters should maintain same gap, whatever it is if you think about. So if it is X means we have to add 6. But T plus 6 is Z. Okay, W is 23. 23 plus 6 is X. Z, C is one option. X, Z and C is one option, adding 6 to each. 18 plus 6, 24. 20 plus 6, 26. W is 23. 23 plus 6 means 29. Whenever you cross more than 26, you remove 26 from that, we'll get 3. 3 is nothing but equal to C. Okay, that's why we can go with option A. When it is X, Z and C is required. When you go for Y means plus 7. Then YAD also possible. Guys, yeah, see, 6 is 1, this alternate series we removed. Plus 7 plus 6 we did. Next, instead of 6, there is a chance 5 or 7 only. If I do here 7, this is added 7, added 6, then added 5. 18 plus 5, 23, W is not there, so they didn't go for adding 5 also. Then adding 7 only, 7, 6, 5 or 7, 6, 7, 6 alternately it's going on. If I go adding all 7, then it should be 25, 27, 23 plus 7 is 30. 25 is nothing but equal to Y letter. 27 is nothing but 1, A letter. 30 is nothing but 3. Okay, remove 26 from that 4. 4 means D. So among all options, suitable is C option. They did plus 7 and plus 6 alternately going on. Here 7, 6, then again 7, 6 like that. It can be 5 also, but no options are satisfying that. That's the only issue here. Right? So see about this next question. G36, V441, N169, Z, what is the next is you have to calculate. G7, they given 36, which is nothing but 6 square. V is 22, they given 441, which is 21 square. Perfect. N is 14, they given 169, which is 13 square. Perfect. Z is 26, so your answer will be 625. Perfect squares, there are many in the options, but one number minus 1 you have to do, then do square for that. Okay. Now again see this question. Similar logic. H is 66, V is 40, 488, N is 202, P is what? So you just observe the link between these letters and numbers as well. Okay, 66 is 16 to 11. Okay, but how that's related to this H? 488, we can write this as 8 into 61, but fine, but or else square plus something 22. Can we write this as 8 multiple or not? You just check it out. What's the logic? N again it's decreasing. For N it is 202 only. For P, what is that? So you just observe. H is given as 66. For V, 488. Yeah, 8 square plus 2, sir. Something like if you think. Then N is nothing but 14. 14 square is 196 plus 6. This is 22 square, 484 plus 4. This is 8 square plus 2. You observe square. H is 8, V is 22, N is 14. Square plus 2, square plus 4, square plus 6. This should be 16, P 16. 16 square plus 8, 256 plus 8. We have to get 264. I hope you understand option D is correct. Got it? Right, shall I go for the next question now? Right, so let's see about the next question. So we may think about different logics. That's what, see, missing terms, the series, analogy, oddoneout. I said clearly in the introduction the syllabus to be focused, and that's what we are worrying about, the same area now. So let's see about this question. It's slow increasing one only. Let's try this. Yeah, previous one square plus 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 like that. Perfect. Yes, Satyadurga given the answer as 108. Okay, fine. This is slow increasing. We have to take difference between numbers. Difference is 15. Then difference is 21. Then difference 31. I have to be careful now. Last time I did a mistake while taking differences. So here 6 gap, 10 gap. Next possibility for 14 means 45. Possibility. Or it can be 6 gap also. 6, 10. Okay, it's 15 only, right? So 21. Here 31. Yes. Or double minus something. No, we'll go ahead. Then 14 gap means 67 plus 45, 112 required. Let us say. Let me check. Then it should be 18 gap means it should be 63. But here 47 only will come. Okay, that's one. 6 gap or 3 5 times 21, 31. Then it can be 14 gap, can be 14 gap. But 112 not there in the options. And if even 112 is there, then the continuation should be 63 means 180, 175 something required. But here 159 only available. Yeah, many given 108 is the answer. Okay, if I go at 108, 21, 31, 41 like that. So here 0 may be mistake. Okay, so considering there is a mistake with 0, okay, 0 may be not the case. It can be 5 something like, or 4. If it is 4, then things set. 11, 21, 31, then you are calling about 41, which is 108, then it will be 51, right? But here it should be 4, not 0. If it is 0, there is a problem. So 4, 15, 36, 67, then it's okay. 21, 31, 41, 51, 61 like that. Ending with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It should be 4, not 0. That's what typing error might be one chance. Next again, missing numbers. Missing term. What's the missing term here? This might be no issues, it seems. So 18, 24, 32, blank 54. If everything is correct, let's say this gap is 6, here 12. Again 6 means 38. 12 means 44. Okay, 18 divided by 3, 6. In that way also no. 24 divided by 2. Divide by 3, divide by 2. Likewise also we have to check. Fine, so blank 54. So what we can do here? 32 is given. So if I take 6 gap or maybe 8 gap, then 14 gap is one chance. 8 gap means 40. Then 454. 6, 12. So go for 9, no 42. Minimum 42 is there. 10 and 12. But here 18. So why I am doing this blunder mistakes today? I am making things complicated for you by taking differences as wrong. It's a routine practice what I am doing now. For 24 and 32 blunder I am writing as 12 gap. It's not acceptable. Now help me here. What is your answer? I agree. I'm creating problem for you instead of clarifying it. In that series questions, I taken differences wrong and creating it. Manisha, what's the okay? Fine. For previous one, you are raising hand. It might be. We can first chart, do the chart, then we'll address your issue. I'm not audible. Fine. Thanks for the correction. Okay, I'm not audible. From what time? This question also. Fine. So here, yeah, the difference is this question. Instead of 0, we have to take 4. Okay, and then proceed 11, 21, 31, 41, 51 gap. There is a mistake. Actually, question given is 0. We have to take it as 4 and proceed. Right. So previous question square plus 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. Whereas this question, there is a mistake in question itself. And here, yes, okay, it should be 6, 8, 10, 12. It's not about 6, 12 and all. So we have to take the differences carefully. So answer is 42 perfect. And this question helped me. Confrontation, conflict, enormous. Is this synonyms or okay antonyms? Enormous means huge. It seems like what's the link between those two words? Antonyms or synonyms or what? A bit related to verbal. This is yeah. These are synonyms. Confrontation and conflicts are synonyms. So yeah, this required bit English here. Analogy concept required bit English. This is synonyms. Similar meaning. Monsters also very large. One of the meaning of monsters is very large. So huge, large, small and miniature is opposite to that enormous. So very large. Right. So let's see about the next one. This is analogy concepts. If you recall, analogy concepts they're asking. Yes. Odd one out they're asking. Series they're asking. Now see again analogy. We're given certain questions, previous questions related to series so far, mixing of letters, numbers, all those. Now analogy related to word, now related to number. Pretty much everybody will give this answer easily. So option B, number, number, square. 7, 7 square, 17, 17 square. So easy. But okay, I'll give one question. Let me see how many of you can handle. This question also one of the previous question given. 4 is 24 dash 120. Option A, 6, 5, 3, 8. Guys, can anyone work on this question? Analogy related stuff. 4 is related to 24, dash is 120. Analogy question which is previously given in Accenture. Yes. Harshita is responded with some answer. Manisha, perfect. So 5 is the answer correct. So the logic your friends cracked here is factorial. 4 factorial is 24. 5 factorial is 120. 4 factorial 24, 5 factorial 120. So analogy. Now see, smile, happy. Okay, these are all bit synonyms, not synonyms. Okay, when you're happy, you'll smile, or when you smile means you're be happy likewise. So dash angry. Okay, this is regarding smile. Smile in a irritating way. This is broadly smiling. This is irritating. You are smiling likewise. So now what can be? It's not grin or Smith. Frown is serious. When you're happy, you will be smile. When you're angry, you will be serious. I think it might be option C suitable here. Frown means you can observe angry to show you are angry. Frown is you are showing angry. Smile is to show your happiness. Frown is showing you are angry. Grin is regarding smiling only. Smirk and grin are related to smile. Now, image-based questions. Unlikely. Odd one out. You need to check it out here. Guys, I want odd one out among this. In this diagram, I want odd one. Diagrams also odd one out is there. Which is that? You can observe this triangle shape. It's third one, no? Because in remaining all, you can find this shape. In remaining all, somehow rotating, you can see the same shape is available. Odd one out means which is different. And you have two triangles like this. So third one is odd one out. Here, I hope everybody can understand it. Now here, analogy concept or series concept you have to apply. Most logically follows this sequence. Logically completes the sequence. So it's a sequence. You observe there is a shapes, they are rotating somehow. What is happening, you see. We have a circle gone to this corner, next step and out, not available. You see those symbols, what might be next? See, this lower quarter part is empty. I think we can eliminate options A and B straightforward because only those area is filled. This bottom area is empty everywhere, right? So, but this is like this. Eliminate. It can be CRD, right? Here, yes, CRD. Fine. Next thing, now if you observe middle circle, fine. Next that heart symbol, then pentagon. Next should be some new diagram. That is star or what you have to decide now. And yeah, you have options available C and D, which is, and I can say D is not correct because you observe here two same shapes, triangle, triangle, here triangle, triangle, square, square, two shapes are common. Two shapes are common, here two shapes are common. Here vertically common, then horizontally same thing. Here vertically common, then horizontally same thing. right? So apart from common, whatever is available, that came to center, right? So now we can observe its perfect suitable is option C. Option C, taking all properties into consideration, option C is suitable. I think this model, if people are pretty much clear. We solved similar questions a lot so far. So following that sequence, so we got D, E, G, J. This is 4. This is 5. 1 gap, 2 gap, 3 gap, 4 gap. We require N letter. N is required. Okay. Next, this is J automatically. When N is there, they given J automatically here. I think no need to work on that. If not, 24 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. That's what you can clearly observe. Right. So next one, we have this arrow, next triangle, next arrow, then triangle. Next, it should be arrow related one. Okay. So arrows is having 2 gap. It's not adjacent like this. Right. So I think one is perfectly suitable. And how that shape rotating also we can observe. This one went to this corner anti-clockwise. If you see arrow, there is a gap, then symbol, then this one. So clockwise, if you see arrow, there is a gap, there is symbol here. This is damn sure it's not both comes under the same place. It's one is suitable. One is suitable out of all this. Image based questions, these are image based questions. Next one, now you need to help me out to solve this question. Options. Before going forward, I think this is, you can understand it's a risk. We have to identify the missing here. So if you observe here in the question, so all are different. Six different things are came, right? So in this circle, it's like Sudoku, Geo Sudo challenge, Sudoku game. Sudoku game, row wise, column wise, all different symbols are there. It's not repeated. You observe this column, it's all different. I required, okay, one normal square, one circle required here. Here if square is there, here circle and here square, or vice versa. Above one circle, below one square in first column. Next column, here it is square and here it is circle. Or this can be shifted. So we want only triangle not required. See, observe. Triangle is already here in the second column. It's triangle it seems. So square is already available. Sorry. First column not square, triangle. In first one triangle, second one, sorry. In first one triangle and circle is missing. In second one square and other symbol, wait. Square and rhombus symbol is missing. It can be vice versa, above and below also fine. So I want first one with square symbol, no, this is eliminated. Square symbol, square symbol, square symbol. So circle and triangle. Here I want square and rhombus symbol, that above and below it's there. So that's what you can observe clearly. You can understand, okay, square, circle cannot come here, circle cannot come here. So circle possibility is here. Right. Next, only thing to be filled in this is triangle. The triangle also completed. Then only thing pending in this is square, square completed. Only thing pending in this row is rhombus shape empty one, that's also completed. So with that, they're given three shapes: triangle, circle, shaded and normal one, square, rhombus, okay, and triangle. This rhombus, shaded and normal one, triangle also. You can observe those six symbols only, row wise, column wise. It should not repeat. Using that logic, fourth one is the answer. Geo pseudo challenge cocubes is asking geo pseudo challenge. Sudoku game. I'll show few more. Now here also same thing. Sudoku game you play. Here it cannot be that arrow mark. See, among this I can say in this column already it's available. This cannot be that symbol. Yeah, what is to be filled is in this geo pseudo challenge. If you want to solve the questions in a fast way, don't go for question mark also directly. I can eliminate arrow cannot come, but there are a lot of other possibilities, right? So yeah, this cannot be rhombus shape. Here rhombus shape cannot come. Here already filled, rhombus can be possible only here. See, in this entire column, one time rhombus should come. Here rhombus here, this entire row cannot come. Here rhombus symbol in entire row cannot come. Here already filled. So this is the only chance for rhombus. See, simple logic. Rhombus must occur here only. So third one means option C here. Third one means we need to select option C. Geo pseudo challenge. Next one I'll give time for you. Yeah, guys, you practice. I think screen is visible for you. And everyone knows, okay, this rhombus shape is eliminated. Now, what else? For this question, third option. Option C means okay, 3 anyhow. Okay. Here C is 3, here also 3, 3 only. Fine, matching. But fine. For this question, 3. See, some questions they are getting two answers also. We cannot question them. Some questions there is a possibility to get two different answers as well. We cannot question them. So, what's your answer? Option D, eliminate. Okay, D means 2. Fine. Perfect. This is correct answer. Listen. See, in this type of questions, if you don't get idea, go for the slot which is having more different elements intersection. Here, three elements are there: square, rhombus, and circle. Means here it will be triangle. Right. Now, triangle cannot come here. Triangle cannot come here. Triangle must be here. My policy is very simple. If you're not able to find the answer, go for the area which is having more intersection. In fact, here also circle will come. Here also circle will come, I agree. If you go for more elements intersection circle, okay, circle is eliminated and this rhombus is eliminated. Here, triangle or square, if you have a doubt, there is this area you can fill. Next intersection, more elements are here. If we go for intersection, more elements, we will get triangle. And triangle cannot come here. So triangle must be here. Second response option is D. Now what about this one? B. C. C become like this, mirror image. Yeah, this is what vertical line indicates mirror image. So if you apply mirror image, your right will come to left side. Above small, small only. Below bigger, bigger only. Okay, wait. Here I have to write like this. Okay, so they put it all in this case. Option C is correct. Option C for this. Perfect. Next one, most logically completes the sequence. So which will most logically complete the sequence is the question. I'll just zoom the screen. You have to identify which is next diagram. Yeah. Now you focus on those shapes. We have only those four shapes. It's keep going on. So here star, here star, again star will come here. That star symbol will come here. Okay, I understand it's 5 only, and in fact, next is when star will go to that corner, not this corner. Star will be in this corner. Hexagon will be above. Pentagon here and triangle here. Okay. So first of all, that shape triangle going clockwise 3, 5, 6, and here star. Okay, star can be given like this. Put one line and put into mark. So 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. Yeah, 3, 5, 6 and star. B option. This is not correct. Here this is 6, 5, 3. Not correct. This is also not correct. We got different things like 6, 5 and 3. It's not possible. Okay, so you can go with option B as the answer. You can select option B. Right, so fine. So that's what first go with that shading and all secondary. First think about that. Okay, order. Then you can understand the answer is this. Right. So next question. Wait, I'll just zoom it. Next question. Okay, you just see this next question. What's your answer for this next question? You try this. Answer is nothing but grass. See, for this type of questions, instead of wasting time, we have to read the last line. Fresh grass color is green, the related word in the question, and green is called grass, so that's it. We have to stop the question with opting grass. No need to extend. Yeah, this type of questions also they're asking in coding and decoding. This comes under coding and decoding. Right, one more similar question. So what is your answer here? To travel underwater. To travel underwater, which is used underwater. So underwater we'll use not plane, bus, and also submarines are used to travel under water. And in question, submarine is nothing but called cycle. So your answer should be cycle, not there. It's not there. So underwater ship, no. Ship means plane. So underwater. What mode of transport do you need to travel on water? Underwater is actually submarine only. If I'm not wrong. Okay, they have to say travel on water means fine, ship. Then we can go for plane. Travel on water. To travel on water, we can use ship. Then ship means we agree. Plane. But question must be clear. Underwater is submarine actually. Submarine is called cycle. We have to go with cycle as the answer. Fine. Yeah, fine. So these are different set of questions what we addressed so far. And let me know if you have any doubts from your end. We'll cover certain things right now. Before that, let me know any doubts from your end. You can put in chat box or you can unmute and ask. Okay, meanwhile, you can see this question and try. The options fine later we'll figure about options. So we need to worry about the logic. I am displaying the options as well here. You can see. Yeah, I'll just zoom it. In a group, definitely I'll share certain videos related to cocubes related previous questions in my subject at least. Okay, metal related, wheebox related, all those. So now let's focus on this question. What's your answer? Pseudocode related stuff. So set x equal to 259. If x equals 0, print 0. Here x is not equal to 0, right? So out. Otherwise, if x mod n, x reminder, see 2 plus 3, when if you want to divide by 9, sum of digits we have to calculate. Sum of digits is 7 only we'll get. When sum of digits is 7, it cannot be divided by 9. This is also waste. This condition failed, this condition failed. X mod 9 is nothing but equal to 7. When 259 is divided by 9, the remainder, mod will give remainder always. Remainder. So when 259 is divided by 9, see, while doing sum of digits, no, okay, the shortcut is 9, you no need to calculate. Directly you can put sum equal to 7. If you consider also time waste only, how's that? 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 9, 16, 1 plus 6 is 7 only again. Sum of digits means we can bring it back to single digit. Okay, so 7 here. So option C. Pseudocodes, yes. Now observe this question. Yeah, again pseudocode. Integer a and b fine. Okay, that's not a big deal. So after that, so I'll just zoom the screen. Yeah, here integer fine. We have a value 12, b value 25. Sum of that is odd number. Definitely a will be 1. Mod 2 means remainder. When odd number divided by 2, remainder is 1. B equal to b minus a it should be. It's not double equal. Typing that's what. Uh, okay, DTP operators they don't know what is there. No, so b equal to b minus a. It will be 24. Then a equal to a plus b minus 13, which is equal to 12. Now print a and b. Not there in the options. Or it equal means this is actually plus. Sorry. Okay, listen. In typing now, if you see the keyboard, plus and equal are at same place. Plus and equal will be at the same place. A equal to a plus b mod 2, still if that is the case, 26 only. Then this will be 27 minus 13, 14 required. So wait, what is fine? So I said a plus b mod 2 means we have to divide by 2 and pick the remainder. Or is that only for b or a plus b? A plus b 20, 12 plus 25, 37. 37 when it's divided by 2, remainder will be 1 only. A is taken as 1. This can be B is B plus A or B minus A. It should be 26 or 24. 24 available in options. It's actually B minus A. Okay, if that is the case, fine. Then A equal to A plus B minus 13. So they may be thinking about 24 plus 12, 36 minus 13. No, that's not possible, right? So wait. Yeah, this will be B equal to B equal to A. B equal to A. This is next line is B equal to B equal to A. B value is equal to A. If we take that way, okay, let's take there is no mistake in the question. If B equal to A, then B will be updated to 1. A is 12, B is 25. A updated to 1. Now B also updated to 1. If that is the case, A plus B minus 13 means 1 plus 1, 2, minus 11. So A and B printing, A value minus 11, B value an option A. So with I thought of not we, I thought of there is a typing mistake here equal. So it's correct. B equal to B equal to A. It's B equal to B plus A or B equal to B minus A, no nothing. It's all adding only. Okay. Again, any doubts from your end, please let me know. Now see this question. What's your answer? Let's check it out. If this question, what is there? Initially A value 4, B value 4, C value 4. We need to perform B XOR B. So whatever the B value it might be, XOR for same will give 0. And AND operation 0 with any other variable will give 0. If of 0 means if of 1 means we can enter into the loop. If this is 0 means it's like false one, we cannot enter into the loop. So A will not disturb. So we have to get A plus B plus C is nothing but equal to 12. So guys here A value 10, B value 11. Right. So you entering to the function. If 0 return A minus B minus function of minus 7 comma minus 1, and if A equal to A plus A plus A plus A means 4 times and return A. Right. So okay. Yeah, A minus B minus function of minus 7 comma minus 1. So you have to end function return A. So what's your answer? Is it 0 or 40 or 30 or 44? We are not entering into this because this is 0. As just now mentioned, if of 0, we don't enter into that. As it is false, we don't do that. We don't enter into this entire loop. So it's simply A is updated as 4A, 40. A is 10. Now it's updated as 40. And you have to return A, means output will be 40. When you run this, we have to return A, output will be equal to 40. Right?